real person.
Look in the camera there.
Yeah, you're all for sure.
Hi.
I see them at the gym.
I know I speak not only for myself but for everyone here. We are so grateful for all the fun and excitement that you provide us. So we thought we wanted to come up with something to be nice for you and all the gifts you've given us. So thank you.
How about 3 hip hip hoorays, you guys?
Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray!
Look at that. That's
Thank you so
There's
much.
two.
Russia go. Oh.
Sorry, Kurt.
Oh, wow. Nice. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
You guys. Oh, thank you. Oh, that's so sweet. That's...
And Marianne got that card made by a special artist.
Artist in town.
Yeah, she's in our class.